Okay, may internet na ulit. Internet again is here. Let's try to continue. Forgot to say that. Okay, let's try to rerun. Okay, wait. Stop, please stop. I don't want to use PDO. Just use. I don't like PDO. It's another. It's another library that wraps many kinds of databases in one library. Para sa ODBC. Ang pabagal pa yan. That's a comprehensive request. Setting up a full user management system, proper security requires a fair amount of code. I'll provide you with basic structure for PHP, JavaScript, and Postgres, focusing on the core functionalities as you described. Important consideration, security, SQL injection, error handling. Okay. Bartar. This guy, ano kaya ang ginagamit na ano nito? I suspect that it's not the most intelligent. Hindi nga. Naka-nano banana pala siya. We want to use Gemini Pro. Kaya pala eh. Pro. Di tayo sa Pro. Sorry. We were asking the wrong person. Okay, let's run again. Ayaw na mag-rerun. Let's run with Gemini Pro. Okay, let's see. There is no selection of groups. How about this one? Assign permission to group. Group ID required. Okay, let's see what this is. Who is going to put the group ID? Is there a selector? We are trying number 9. Trying only, trying. It's very hard. But you can still pass the class without doing this. This is the hard part of the class. The class has difficult parts and easy parts. Okay, let's try something. Wrong DN. Okay, let's see about the create users. Okay, I copied. Let's first create users and tables. Where is it? Okay, thank you. Create table. Where are you? It's fine. These are the database commands. Error user key references. Okay, I'm gonna request the database change all DB varchars to text and remove all SQL references. Why? For flexibility. Because varchar and text in Postgres consume the same amount of space. Varchar has a limit, text has no limit. So why settle with varchar when you can just use text without limit? Number two, remove all SQL references. SQL references slow down the database because everything you do with one table gets checked to all the reference tables. It's not good for scaling and many users simultaneously. So you do all your logic and checking in your apps instead of your database. Right? Remove all SQL reference for performance sake. Put the correct grammar is like this. Control Enter. That's why we should not believe everything here. Okay, we have our new create. Okay. Let's try this one. We did not ask to create functions, but it's creating functions. Let's just try. Just try. That's all the SQL. Let's paste it in our SSH. Amazing. We have functions, we have tables, and we have functions. Very good. Now for backend PHP file. PHP files, the API will now be much simpler. So there's supposed to be an API folder. Let's make an API folder. We are in project number project number project number 9. So let's create project number 9. New folder 9. Then I think there's a new folder API. And inside API, our friend is telling us to create user. New file, create user.php. Then copy PHP. Save, close, create app. Create group. Again, the same thing for everything. And assign user to group. Assign user to group and assign permission. And get data. The most dangerous part. And get assignment. Front end, no changes. So the front end supposed to be here. And where is the no changes file? This is probably the JS JavaScript part. It's called app.js. Copy. Supposed to put it here. Then we have this CSS, styles.css, style.css. And then index.html. Front end. What is this? Config. Get assignment. So we're supposed to have a folder. How to run, install. First our config. I think this is our config.php. Which of course we're going to edit because our DB name is Postgres. User is Postgres. And password is DBA. Let's check if our password in the other it's a this is the okay, let's see what's happening. If there is any sense to this thing that we are doing. /8 9. Let's make users. Create new app. Okay, okay. So we are going to give WinGP to make him a member of the group anyone. Yes. And we enable anyone group to access Bible EG search. Yes. We reload. What is this? It doesn't show the group assignments. I wonder if it's actually working. No, there is no login yet. This is just the management of ha? Nag-assign na ako. Ayan naman. I'm wondering, let's look into the database what's here. Nandiyan naman. Yes, it's there. Wala lang naka-display dito sa baba. Okay, I forgot. How come? Users group list. Baka may error. Tingnan natin sa console. Failed. 404. Ano to? Get assignments. .php. Okay, we didn't copy properly. Where is the get assignments? Get assignments.php. Maybe we did put a wrong name. Get assignment. Supposed to be S. So let's reload our user management today. Yan na. Okay. Amazing. Amazing, my friends. Okay. Let me just stop here because I'm so amazed it works. And I will record another one that I'll record another video that will integrate this with our password. Okay, okay?